Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we are getting ready with my firstborn niece. This is her senior year homecoming look and I did her hair and makeup. If you're interested in seeing how I got her installed together, definitely continue watching. So this wig comes from Recool Hair, and this is a 24-inch water wave 5x5 HD lace closure wig. Here are all the goodies that came with my order. We got an edge brush, wig cap, comb, all the goodies that you need for a wig install. The lace on this wig, once again, is HD. It is a 5x5 closure wig. Here is the cap's construction, and the wig is 180% in density, so it's kind of like a natural fullness. Now, what I loved about the knots on this wig is that they were super small and the hairline is pre-plucked. So once I bleached the knots, they bleached wonderfully. And the hairline, being that it was pre-plucked, it already gave me a guide to actually go in and do like a more detailed plucking, which is what I'm doing here. I'm taking out the hair from the pre-plucked hairline. I'm using my hot comb to tame the flyaways and create the area that I'll be working on. I have to see what I'm doing, or else I'll, maybe over pluck, which is something that I don't like to do because I don't know how to ventilate. So once you take that hair up out of whatever area it was in, it's not going to grow back. So I definitely take my time when doing this and ensure that I am moving side to side. I'm going in with my wax stick that you can get on my website. It's linked down below. And I'm going to use this to create a kind of like a smooth and sleek finish. The wax stick just helps after plucking or during plucking, just to kind of get the hair out of my way and allow me to see pretty much what I'm working with. So here is the finished hairline, a big difference from what it was before. Now, my niece, she wanted baby hairs. I'm not a big fan of baby hairs. It's kind of like a hit or miss for me. Sometimes I have good ones. The other times I don't. It's because I'm not a fan of doing them, but I am going to do my best for my girl. So I'm just using some water to kind of revive the hair just a tad bit. Now, it was co-washed and air dried, so the ends are already dry. I just decided to go in with some moisture, some water, just to kind of revive the curls just a little bit. So here is Nevaeh. Hey, so she is completely natural. We did do a braid down on her hair so that the wig will sit very, very, flat and nice. We didn't want her to have a helmet or anything like that. Now, Nevaeh's head size, I believe, is between like a 20 to a 21. She has a very small head size. So this wig cap that we ordered was in a average cap size, which is usually 22, but it was still able to I was able to work with it pretty much. So here I am about to install her wig. I'm going in with some 91% alcohol, cleaning off any dirt, oil, or makeup. I'm using my wig cap here, and this is the deepest shade that I have available. We're not doing a bald cap method whatsoever. Now I'm using the Supreme Hold Eben black bottle glue. This is my very first time touching glue. I'm usually a glueless type of girl, but Nevaeh actually wanted this install to last, so I made sure that I covered up her hairline because she has a very fine hairline. I wanted to cover that up and protect it as much as possible with the wig cap, just so that the glue wouldn't do any damage or take out any of the hair on her hairline. So I'm just spreading it down very thinly and evenly with the back of my edge brush, and I'm going in with cool air just to kind of help the process of the glue getting tacky. I cut the lace off prior to me laying the lace down because it was simple and easy for me. In any of the areas that didn't get glued down or anything like that, I went in, as you guys can see, with just a little bit more just to get that lace down. This glue, y'all, I only used one layer and I let it get tacky for less than maybe, I'm gonna say less than 2 minutes. As soon as I put the lace onto the glue, it was hard for me to lift it back up, and thank goodness I didn't have to reposition the lace, but I knew that it was going to be hard for me to reposition it. It dried immediately, and the spray that I use, guys, it's on my website. It's the holding spray, and that just helped the lace melt a little bit more, I went ahead and sprayed a little bit more water on the hair while, the melt band helped the lace melt a lot more. Y'all see that? It looks so amazing already. And I'm going in with my blending brush. You can find that on the website as well. And I'm using just a little bit of Ruby Kisses foundation. I believe this was level 12 or 13. Now I'm going in with my pencil flat iron just to curl the baby hairs. Like I said, y'all, not too much on the baby hairs, okay? Because it's a hit or miss for me. This is my very first wig install on someone else other than myself. I am going to get back into doing wig installs. I took a class like at the beginning of the pandemic, but you know what you don't use, you lose. So thank goodness my niece, she's like, I'm down, Auntie, to be your muse. So I am going to do like a lot of installs on her. I'm going to get my practice on with her. Thank goodness she's here. And yeah, so I went ahead and did her makeup because this was for homecoming and we was running a little bit late, honey. But yeah, I gave her a little smoky eye with a red lip. Y'all, not too much on my skills because I do what I do my best. Okay, my best. But she definitely loved her makeup. And here I am just, kind of looking at everything, making sure everything was put together. She wanted this sleek pushback hairstyle with the wig, and I think I delivered. And the smoky eye with the red lip, like she had an idea of what she wanted and she went for it, and it came together very, very well. I'll have the link along with any available coupon codes down below. You guys let me know what you think about this overall look, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.